Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Rosebank is a residential neighborhood in the town of Stratford, Prince Edward Island, located just east of Charlottetown across the Hillsborough River. It is known for its quiet streets, modern homes, and convenient location close to schools, shopping, parks, and the waterfront. Like much of Stratford, Rosebank offers a suburban lifestyle while remaining only a few minutes from the province's capital. Rosebank is part of Stratford, a town with a population of more than 11,000 people, making it one of the fastest growing communities in Prince Edward Island. Although Rosebank itself is home to only a few thousand residents, it has experienced steady growth as new homes have been built to meet increasing demand. The neighborhood attracts families, retirees, and professionals who value its combination of space, safety, and easy access to Charlottetown. The land that is now Rosebank was once largely made up of farmland and woodland. As Stratford expanded during the late 20th century and into the 21st century, these rural properties gradually gave way to residential subdivisions. Improvements to transportation, including the Hillsborough Bridge connecting Stratford with Charlottetown, encouraged rapid development and made commuting much more convenient for local residents. Rosebank offers easy access to many recreational opportunities. Residents are close to walking and cycling trails, sports fields, playgrounds, and community facilities throughout Stratford. The nearby Hillsborough River provides opportunities for boating, kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing during the warmer months, while several parks offer scenic views of the water and surrounding countryside. Housing in Rosebank consists mainly of detached single-family homes with some duplexes and newer townhouses. Many homes have been built within the past few decades and feature larger lots than those found in older urban neighborhoods. In recent years, average home prices have generally ranged from about $500,000 to $650,000 Canadian dollars, depending on the size, location, age, and condition of the property. The growth of Stratford reflects broader changes across Prince Edward Island. Strong population growth, increased immigration, and a healthy economy have created demand for new housing and expanded public services. At the same time, the town has worked to preserve parks, green spaces, and waterfront access, helping maintain the community's high quality of life. Today, Rosebank continues to be one of Stratford's desirable residential neighborhoods. Its peaceful setting, modern homes, nearby parks, and excellent location make it an attractive place to live for people of all ages. For visitors, Rosebank provides a good example of how Stratford has grown from a collection of small rural communities into one of Prince Edward Island's most successful and welcoming towns. Thanks for watching!